Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Decide between the Crypto. Calm desktop app for Windows or the secure web interface at Crypto. Calm, the desktop app provides push notifications and a native experience, while the web version works in any browser. To install, open the official site and choose Downloads, then Windows. The Windows installer is typically a file around 120 MB, which saves to your Downloads folder. Before you run the installer, verify the installer hash shown on the site matches your downloaded file, ensuring integrity and run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install the Crypto. Calm app on your PC, accept required permissions, and choose an install folder if prompted. When creating an account, use a unique email address and choose an 812-character password combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for stronger protection. After account creation, enable two-factor authentication by linking an authenticator app. It will generate 6-digit codes you must enter on each sign-in to secure your account. Set up enhanced security immediately. Enable biometrics if your PC supports it, create a local PIN, and configure a separate withdrawal password in app settings to prevent unauthorized transfers. Fund your account by depositing crypto to your unique wallet address, or buy crypto directly using a linked card or bank transfer. Monitor estimated fees and network confirmation times before confirming. When sending or trading, always double-check recipient addresses and transaction details. Review displayed fees and required confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.